So natural hair and shrinkage kind of sort of go hand in hand. If you saw my last haircut video, you know I went a little too clipper happy and cut my hair too much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I stretch my curls a bit. So the good news is you only need one thing to stretch your curls, and that is a good old blow dryer. Now I'm using the Dyson. You do not have to use a fancy expensive Dyson. You can use a simple, Conair blow dryer, but you do need to make sure that your blow dryer comes with a concentrator nozzle attachment. So you want something that's going to be flat like this. So let's get started. So now I'm just attaching my concentrator nozzle, and before I start, I like to make sure that my hair is completely dry because otherwise it will just create a frizzy mess. So using low heat and low speed, I like to grab small sections and then just blast the roots with the concentrator nozzle. I don't go in with super high heat because the hotter the blow dryer, the more it's going to straighten the curl. And we really don't want to do that. We just want to loosen up that tight curl some. I also like to work super quickly because, again, if we leave the blow dryer on one area of the hair too much, it's going to straighten that curl out a little bit too much, and we don't want that. So I just work in super, random sections. And then I kind of sort of do this maybe once or twice all over the whole entire head, depending on what type of look I'm going for. You can also do this, and kind of sort of shape your curls afterwards. So again, just working super quickly and in small sections. Those are my top 2 tips. So here I'm just fluffing, kind of sort of making sure that I like the outcome, and that's it. I'm all done, and as you can see, my curls are stretched a little bit with very little frizz, and I didn't disrupt the curl pattern too much. So if you guys haven't checked out my last haircut video, which is the reason why I'm now stretching my curls, go ahead and check it out right here. Also, let me know down below in the comments, what method do you use to stretch your curls, or do you just embrace the shrinkage? So remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, turn on your notifications because guys, guess what? You do not want to miss any videos. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.